Wannabehaxor Productions proudly present this video.
Hello YouTube. Today what I'm going to be showing you how to do is put ringtones on your cell phone. All you need is a Bluetooth enabled phone and a little Bluetooth USB thing. Hold on. As you can see, this is what they look like right here. But you can just get one at many places. They're pretty cheap. They're about $20. And you can do more than just make ringtones with them. But they have a $6 one. I don't know if that's really true, but they also have a $18 one. But anyway, on to what we're gonna do. First thing is we need to we need a program called MP-Trim. So we're just gonna come to this website I posted in the description. Over in the corner it'll say download MP-Trim. Save it. Close. Go ahead and extract it. Blah blah. You can delete the folder inside of it. I mean, all you need out of it is the mptrim.exe. It'll look like this. But go ahead and click that and run it. Now what we need is a MP3 to trim up. You can get stuff from LimeWire. I'm not telling you to do anything illegal, but a lot of people do that. I got all mine off of iTunes and just used the little trick to get them uncopy protected, but I still paid for them and I don't put them on LimeWire, so they're still mine. Anyway, what am I doing? Go to your music file or wherever you have it and navigate to, it's upside down, to the song you want to turn into a ringtone. Where is it? Okay, here it is. What you're gonna do is copy it and then paste it. I'm gonna rename it to make it a little bit simpler on me. Anyway, what you want to do after you have done that is go back to MP3, MP-Trim, and open it. And find your file. And now here's the tricky part. You have to trim it up and make it about 30 seconds long. Because most cell phones can't take files longer than 30 minutes. So I'm going to go to about where I want to trim it. Alright. I'll go to about 105. So I want to take a minute and 5 seconds off of the beginning. Okay, that's about right, but I don't want the drums in there. I just want to start on I. So what you do is go over to frame. Frame basically goes in milliseconds. Lets you edit the milliseconds. So just keep going up. I should probably go up a second, but and that's perfect. Okay, I want it like that. So now we're gonna go to where we want to trim off the end. That's about right. 133. So I'm gonna go into MP3, MP-Trim, and subtract 133 from 355. That will give you 222. I think. I suck at math. I'm horrible at math. Yep, I was right. But I wanna go to the end of that chord, so I'm gonna subtract some from the end. I should probably go in seconds, but whatever. I'll just go with that. I don't feel like sitting here all day. But anyway, it'll tell you how long your MP3 is, and it's pretty good because you don't want it like, you don't want a 3-minute long recording, and you also can't really do that on a lot of cell phones. A lot of cell phones have limits on how long you can have MP3. So just close out your media player when you're ready, and click save, and just save. I'm gonna rename mine because I think I already did this and it didn't work out right. But anyway, next thing you're gonna do is set up your Bluetooth. Get your little Bluetooth USB thing, plug it in. We'll get that noise. Usually you'll get an add remove hardware prompt right about here, but I've already installed it. Go ahead and run through that. It takes a little while, but it finds the drivers usually, or at least it did with mine. But once you have it installed, go ahead and go over here, right click on your MP3 and go to send to Bluetooth device. Browse for it. Actually, first you gotta turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Alright, and then you can browse for it. Go ahead and select yours and click OK. Then go next. And it'll say accept connection request. Yes. It will send. It'll say it's finished. Just say confirm. And here it is. Oh, right. That's the wrong one. Here it is. And okay, and just you can set it as your ringtone however it works with your phone. I just did that, and now if somebody were to call me right now, it'd play the music. But you just go ahead and click finish, and you're done. You can do other stuff with Bluetooth, not only sending ringtones to your phone. You can, like, if you have a Wii, you can mess around with it and set it up as the Wiimote to be your mouse or whatever. And you can do some other stuff. I just don't really do that much else with it. But I mean, after a while, after you've had the phone for a while and you download a whole bunch of ringtones, not to mention the data charges just from going on the web browser, it can be a little bit cheaper if you get one of the $10 ones or the cheaper ones. But thanks for watching.